Good afternoon, students. I want to take this opportunity to welcome Yaho to give us remarks on the mathematics assessment. Welcome, Yaho.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon once more. So, today I want to take a moment to sincerely thank each and every one of you for participating in our recent mathematics test. Your efforts, your dedication, and your willingness to challenge yourselves are truly appreciated. To those who reached or exceeded the pass mark, congratulations. Your hard work, discipline, and consistency have brought you this success. You have shown that with focus and commitment, great results are possible. Keep pushing forward, keep aiming higher, and continue building on this strong foundation. Your achievement is something to be proud of. To those who did not reach the pass mark this time, I want you to remember one important thing. This is not the end. It is simply a step in your learning journey. What matters most is not where you are now, but where you are willing to go. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Use this test as motivation to work harder, ask questions, practice more, and believe in yourself. You are capable of improving, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Success is not measured by a single result, but your determination to keep improving. Let us continue to learn together, help one another, and aim for better outcomes in the future. Thank you once again for your participation, your courage, and your effort. I believe in each one of you, and I look forward to seeing your progress in the next assessment. Thank you.